Okay, we're gonna talk about traffic profits, ordering traffic, getting traffic to your website on a daily or even weekly basis with Discover Heal, with this great platform that you can use to make money online and build an influence for yourself. How to launch your own profitable business. This is part of the 6 steps to six figures formula. And in step 1, I'm gonna break it down slowly for you can understand with this review, this Discover Heal review. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And yes, we're gonna go ahead and dive into the content. And don't forget, click on the link below to be part of the Discover Heal, this movement of this year in 2021, where you can start growing your business, start making that money online, and build that presence that you always wanted to in this year. Now, the first place I'm gonna start, and don't forget guys, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, absolutely. Now, the first step I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play a little bit of the video when you get signed up with this 6 figures of the traffic profits. I'm gonna play a little bit of this video of Stephen Munson, the CEO of Heal, and this is a great company this year in 2021, a great online platform where you can really have some success. Let me play a little bit of a sneak preview of this video.
My name is Stephen Munson. I'm the founder and CEO of Heal, and this is the 6 steps to 6 figures. Now, one of the dreams and goals of entrepreneurs who start building a business on the internet is to earn 6 figures. And if you follow this blueprint, these 6 simple...
I just want to play just a little bit of that video because this is about traffic, but I wanted you to basically understand a little bit what Stephen Munson's talking about. He has an unbelievable story. This is a great platform. We've got affiliates all around the world. It's really making the income online, and in 2021 it's going to be an unbelievable year. But you got to start out with traffic, and this is the first step of the 6 steps to 6 figures. I call it traffic profits because the more traffic you bringing in, the more profits you can potentially earn. So the first step you want to go ahead and do, and don't forget, if you haven't yet already, click on the link below in the description box, sign up and Discover Heal, and then come right to this page when you get that notification from your email inbox to log into Discover Heal. You'll come right to Heal under education, 6 steps to 6 figures. Now, this part here that we're only going to concentrate on today, buy traffic weekly, go here to access traffic. That easy to do. All you have to do is click on access traffic and it brings you to this page right here. Now, you have a few options you can do here. You can watch this video here how to order the traffic. If you need like a video, a step-to-step tutorial, another one, you can go to this video here. If you don't want to go that route, you can click on start traffic campaign and order your traffic that meets your budget needs. So 100 clicks down to 1,000 clicks. Remember, the more traffic you're bringing into your website, the better the profit is going to be for yourself. So let me go ahead and back up here. So you can order your traffic there. Another area here, and basically the tutorial explains all of this. I just want to walk you through it, hold your hand through this process, is that you can also order traffic subscription packs. Now, this is for only Heal VIP Elite members, so you do need to go ahead and become an Elite member to do that. But this is some of the benefits if you're a VIP Elite member. When you click on traffic subscription package, you can order weekly traffic on a weekly basis. So you can do 250 clicks per week at 60 cents per click. Usually traffic runs a lot more than that. Some of the really good traffic there, you get a discount just being a VIP Elite member in terms of traffic. So you get 250, you can get 500 clicks, you can get 1,000 clicks. And when you click on there, it goes right to a checkout page, and you'll be able to put your information in and order your traffic. It's really simple and easy to do. So that's that traffic there. I mean, I'm telling you, you can order traffic all in one platform. It's kind of have everything all in one. You can have your mindset, you have your traffic, you can have your leads flowing into your business on an autopilot basis. On autopilot. So let me go back to the other part here. So here it says select a weekly package and save. So you save money by ordering your traffic on a weekly basis. Just like we said here, you will start here. You can save money this way by buying your traffic. You can save money. You also can save money by ordering your traffic packages by being an elite member, and in ordering your traffic packages, you can save money just by doing that. So it's a really, really good benefit of becoming a VIP elite member. I really suggest you do that because not only you're going to get the traffic benefits, but you're going to get a lot of other benefits as well that's going to help your business and yourself. So let me go ahead and go back here. And it says here, keep traffic flowing weekly to ensure consistency. So you want traffic to be flowing weekly. You want customers, you want prospects to be coming into your business, because that way you have an opportunity to have profit. Traffic in your business, profits in your business, because I know you want that in 2021. So yes, if you're looking for a platform that you can order traffic, that you can actually, you can get your leads flowing in, you can get your autoresponder information, you definitely need something like this, because making money online in 2021 is one of the highest things that people want to go ahead and accomplish. Yes, losing weight's one of them. Yes, you want to make more money is the next one. I'm telling you. So you definitely want a platform like this that has a good customer service team and a good traffic opportunity for you to grow your business. Now, this video, I'm giving you the review of the traffic portion of the 6 steps to 6 figures, but I love this because it has a step-by-step tutorial that tells you how to do all this. So basically, when you get to this part, Daniel Kump, which is head of operations of Heal, he goes over the whole entire process. So you definitely want to watch this entire video. It's 8 minutes long, and you'll be able to really understand why you should be ordering traffic. I basically explained to you as well, because you want to make money, you want to grow your business, you need traffic. It's the lifeline of your business. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that. But I love the fact it has a step-by-step tutorial that tells you everything from A to Z. So watch this video as well. So that is the traffic part of this strategy. I'm telling you, in 2021, traffic is going to be one of the main things that's going to help your business. It doesn't matter what business that you have. And if you think about all the other companies out there, they're running traffic on a weekly basis. All the large companies that you see, you get notification from your phone or your email inbox, or if you go to a grocery store or you go to a department store, they've got advertising running somewhere, and it's usually online these days. So why not? That could be you. Remember, buy traffic weekly and sign up on a weekly basis. But first, you got to sign up to be a part of a member of Discover Heal. It's really easy and simple to do. Sign up, get started, then check your email inbox. Come to this site. You'll come to the site, you'll sign in, this dashboard. Under education, click on 6 steps to 6 figures. Under education, 6 steps to 6 figures. And yes, let's go ahead and start the traffic portion already. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. I'm so excited for this year because we're going to have a lot of fun, and there's going to be a lot more profits. At least that's what the plan is. Results are not typical, but with hard work and consistency, just like it says right here, keep traffic flowing weekly to ensure consistency, you will have an opportunity to have success. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. But more importantly, I want you to sign up right below this video in the description box. Be a part of a Heal member, and then start getting some traffic going in your business. I'm Adam Shelton. I'll see you next time. Discover Heal is where is it at in 2021, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.